Occasionally, when you're working in Illustrator, you'll find a series of steps that you'll want to repeat over and over again. This can be redundant and kind of mundane if you have to do the same thing to a number of different items. But Illustrator provides a way that you can quickly automate the task associated with that. This is done using the Actions panel. Actions are a set of recorded macros that you can quickly run on selected objects to get things to happen quickly. Within the Actions panel, there are a number of default actions that you can access. For example, if you wanted to change the opacity of the object to 40 in screen, save it for web in different formats, simplify an object, use the Move, Scale, Rotate dialog boxes, do some Pathfinder operations. All of these are default actions. To get an action to work, you simply need to select the action and click the play button here at the bottom of the action panel. This simplify action uses a selection. It has selection in parameters to indicate that an item needs to be selected before this action will work. So I've selected this path, I hit the play button, and the path is simplified. I can also run this simplify straight to very quickly change the path to a set of straight lines. If I want to see the specific tasks that are associated with an action, I can just click on this arrow to expand the settings. And here it shows me that this action runs the simplify command with a curve precision of 40, an angle threshold of 0, with straight lines and show original. By expanding and contracting, I can see the exact commands that are used with the various actions. This column here indicates that running this action is going to make a dialog box appear. For example, if I select this star and I click the shear dialog and run it, then a dialog box is going to pop up allowing me to control the shear. The Actions panel will also let me record my own actions, create new actions, and delete any actions that are selected.